Hi. I thought I would do a little video, just a little impromptu video, because yesterday I quit my job. Crazy. Why did I do that? It left me a little not being able to sleep last night. But at the same time, you gotta take a risk. Risk is reward, right? That's what they say. So that's what I'm doing. At the moment I only have 22 subscribers, but I decided that I would go all in on my art career and see how I go from there. And I'm looking forward to take you guys along for the ride as well, because I've got so much to enjoy about life and love. And at the moment I am outside in a beautiful garden. This is my mum's garden. This is what Judy's garden is created from. She's got peas. Want some peas? Yum. Okay, I'm going to eat that. Wait, listen to this. Hang on. Sorry. That was a dumb idea. Now I have to talk. So, peas. Pomegranates flowering. Beautiful. We've got horsies. I don't know if you can see them in the background. Horsies. Horsey. Yeah. So we're going to pick some mulberries. Sometimes in life you just have to take chances. And this is my time to take chances and give things a go. Because art is what I've always wanted to do, and it's what I'm passionate about. Not only just to create art, but to teach and hopefully inspire, really. That's what it's all about. I can see my mum coming down the hill. So I probably won't talk very long, but I just want to say hi. Hello. I'm going to go pick some mulberries now. Would you like a mulberry too? Wait a minute. Look at that. Now my fingers are going to be red and purple. Yes. Okay, so even though it looks like I don't have a plan, I kind of have a plan, because I'm doing my first art market as little Moonseed tomorrow in Muscatine, which is exciting. I am also joining my sister, who is doing her stall, and Sharon is selling herbs and lunar planting calendars and garden and talking about sustainability, and it'll be really nice for her to connect, and I'll make connections too with all these lovely peeps going to the market. So as it's my first one, I don't really have like a mass amount of stuff, but I'll take what I have and just see how I go. And next week, hopefully I'll show you the YouTube video of the market and how it went and what sold and what didn't sell and what I could have done better next time to help you when you do your first art market. Yeah, so that'll be exciting. I'm hoping to get some cinnamon donuts, which I freaking love because they're so yummy and not that great for me, but that's okay. I'm allowed to treat myself, right? I'll take that as a yes. So after I show you these products that I've been making for the market, I'll show you how the mulberry picking went with my mum. And she's pretty freaking cute. So, yeah, I'll see you soon. All right, bye. have to look really hard for the best ones. And the little birdies are in here too, enjoying all of them. What a beautiful blue sky. Let's hunt mulberries. Oh God. Kind of ready. Yeah, not really bright, but we'll take it. Wait, that's, oh, look at that one. Oh, yes, that is beautiful. Yeah. That is a wonderful looking mulberry. Yum, yum, yum. How you going, Mum? You found any? Okay. Some really lovely ones, like a really big one. Okay. Ooh, nice.
Oh, you're doing good.
What you got? What you got there, lovely lady?
I don't know when the best time to pick them is.
Now?
Well, sometimes
when
you
we're
can't
hungry
see
for
them.
mulberries.
Might be better in the morning.
Maybe. But I guess that the birds will get the nice ones, right? No, Dobie, you need some as well, Mum.
Mm-hmm.
You need some as well, right?
Got some. I'm good.
You're just doing this for me then. Do you want me to get in there, Mum?
No. I'm fine, thanks.
Do you mind if you're on my video?
Hmm?
Do you mind if you're on my video?
Oh, come on.
Yes, because this is
I haven't
beautiful.
got my makeup on.
You look incredible. You do have some mulberry on your fingers. You could probably put it on your face. I can't see there was a leaf in the way. That's funny. Yum. Okay, I'm going to put this down and pick some mulberries.